We are starting math. All right, I want everyone to focus on math and not the door. I promise you, no one will be harmed unless the glass shatters, but I don't think that would happen.
I would run.
That would not be good.
Or hide behind some. Probably just jinxed it.
Yeah, well, we aren't gonna. All right, friends, now time to focus. It is school. Let us start with some very delicious story problems.
Yeah.
I see cookies, which always makes me happy.
Especially if they're chocolate.
I agree.
I think it looks like they are.
It looks like chocolate chip cookies. Does it get any better? All right, we are on page 173, correct?
Yeah.
Aubrey and her sisters have saved $16.45. They need twice as much money to buy a book for Dad's birthday. How much money do they need? So it is going to be a money equation. So what needs to be involved in the answer? What needs to be included? Owen? The dollar sign. So we know that there's going to be a dollar sign in the answer. What kind of mathematical equation are we talking about? They need twice as much money to buy a book for Dad's birthday. Ella. Grant. Yes. Multiplying by what? It doesn't give us an exact number. However, if you read the sentence, they need twice as much money to buy a book for Dad's birthday. So we know they have $16.45. What are we going to, and we know we're going to multiply. What are we going to multiply by, Emma?
2.
Yes. So you're going to multiply $16.45 by 2. Very good. Yes, Christian. Oh, you have the answer? Or not yet, sweetie. And I have to. Christian, you are going to have to leave in about 5. So, do you need to take, I'm assuming you have your coach, you have everything you need. Okay. I'm just wondering if you should take your lunch. You might want to take it with you just to be safe. I don't know how long this appointment's going to be.
That's what I did.
Yeah, I would just take your lunch, and then if you get back in time, that's great. Otherwise, you have it, all right? That's the only thing I would take. All right. Now I'm hungry, because I'm looking at chocolate chip cookies on pictures and talking about Christian's lunch. All right, sorry, sidetracked by food. What a shock. Mrs. Reed sidetracked by food. That is unusual. All right, so who has an answer for me? Christian.
$32.90.
Beautiful. $32.90. That is correct. Now, I don't even want to read this because my stomach is already angry. The bakery has made 375 sugar cookies and,
Oh my gosh.
ooh, and 7 times as many chocolate chip cookies as sugar cookies. Oh, that sounds delightful. Fresh from the oven, all gooey and delightful. How many chocolate chip cookies have been made? What are we talking about here, friends? We're talking about multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. Wensheen. Yes, and what are we multiplying? We do know that we have 375 sugar cookies, and we do have 7 this time. So you are multiplying what, Wensheen? What is your equation?
375 times 7.
Beautiful. That is your workspace equation. And then what do you have to put into your answer for the word problem? A very delightful word. Emmy. What kind of cookies? We have 2 different types here, sugar cookies or chocolate chip cookies. What is the yes, the best kind of cookie in the world, chocolate chip cookies. Oh, that sounds good.
I like sugar cookies better. You're making me hungry.
I know. Just the word chocolate chip cookie makes Mrs. Reed happy.
Can we skip this problem?
No, we have to do it. All right. I see lots of thumbs up. Thumbs up if you are complete with this delicious word problem. Grant.
2,625.
Beautiful. 2,625. Very good. That's a lot of cookies, friends. Oh my goodness.
Who are they gonna give that?
It's for a bakery, so they're going to sell them.
They're gonna give them all to me. They're gonna sell them to us. They're gonna give them all to me. No, they're gonna give them all to me. No,
All right, friends. If you want to do work on the board, get your markers ready. Now, I am not going to do all of these because it is a review. So you will have to do the ones that I'm not doing on the board on your own. Tessa and Ella. What is your number, Tessa?
2,320.
Very good. Nice job. And what is your number, Miss Ella?
2,092.
Very nice. Very nice. Everybody get this? And if you have spare time between, you can work on the ones that I don't do on the board, okay?
Okie doke.
Okie dokie. Just love that with magnets. Makes my life so much easier. Just the little things. All right, James and Owen. And Christian, yep. You need to head down to the office. Have a great appointment. Good. How would you say your number?
43,820.
Good. And how would you say your number? That's 6. The rest is actually the 9 is not correct either. So just kind of go through that. I'll get somebody up to do something on that. Just take your time. Jonathan. James, if I were you, I would just start over. And just kind of start fresh. Take your time, not a big deal. You are right. The only one part that you have incorrect is it is not 882. Actually, so what is, that is correct. Carry that. What is 6 times 8? You have no 628, so you're right. 48 and you have to add the 1. So you're right. 48 is correct, but then you forgot to add 1. So 40, 49. There you go. And then 6 times 4 is. And then plus. There you go. There you got it. Good job. Bravo. Nice job, James. See, that's the thing with math. One miscarry. That's why you just have to be very careful. All right. We are going to do 2 more divisions. It's still so hot here.
I'm sweating.
I don't understand why it's so hot in here.
We need to take our masks off.
That would be delightful.
We can't because of COVID.
That would be delightful, but we can't. All right. Caroline and Helen. What is, okay. Right. All right, Helen, there is, that is correct. Caroline, you need to come back, Miss Helen, and check yours out again. You are correct with the 06, but so what is 7 times 6? 7 times 6 is what? Is it 48? No? You can leave the 48, that's correct, but what is 7 times 6? There you go. Nicely done. I want you all to work on 4 on your own. I feel like there's just heat coming out.
Yeah, there's something off today. I hope someone's calling.
I told Denise, but I don't know why they have the heat on. It's just unneeded. It's an unneeded thing. This is amazing. Yes. Work on number 4, please.
We need a little mini fan to put our desk.
You need to do the work. You didn't do any of the work. And that is not correct. You didn't do it all. This 32 remainder 1. I need to see your work. Okay? And that's not correct either. It's 6 what? It is 6, but there is a remainder. You have to remember to write that. Friends, make sure when you do your long division that you write the remainder 6 or remainder 1 on top. Otherwise, it's not correct. You have to finish the problem. All right, when you are done, thumbs up, take your time. Going to melt. Mrs. Reed is going to melt this little house. And you'll be caught by a teaching puzzle. Then I'm in trouble. Yeah, we need a fan.
We should all have our own little mini fan.
Yes, they do exist. So you just have. All right, we are digressing from our math. We're going to do a bit of review from yesterday. Now, let me just see. I don't have my book up. So turn the page. Yes. All right, we are going to review what we did yesterday in your workbook. This is what you have, correct? So, we need to turn that into an equation. What are we looking for in this converted measurement? We have feet to yards. Are we going to figure out feet or are we going to figure out yards? What do we need to find out? What is missing? Luke? Yes. So who remembers what I have to do here to make the equation complete? Olivia, what do I need to do? Would you like to come up and show me? All right, please do. I prefer skipping, yes. Good. And then don't forget your handy dandy what around the 27 in the yard. You have to do it. There you go. Beautiful. All right, so now we revert back to what we know. Are we talking large to small or small to large? Owen.
Small to large.
So then we do what? Multiply or divide?
Divide.
That is correct. So what is the magical number that we are looking for? Owen?
3.
Yes. Just going to put this down a little bit. It is. So we are dividing by 3. So what is 27 divided by 3? Wensheen. Very good. So our answer is 9 yards. So let's review. Small to large, you what? Show me your sign. Divide. Very good. Large to small is what? There you go. Multiply. All right, very good. Let's do, did everybody get this written down in their books?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
The board is disgusting.
Use the cleaning gun. Use the cleaning gun.
Yeah, the cleaning gun isn't gonna work.
Why? It cleans it though.
I need the solution. All right, what am I going to do here? Who wants to come up to the board and demonstrate? McKenna. So we have pounds and ounces. Are we trying to figure out pounds or ounces? Nice. Now, when we convert pounds to ounces, are we talking large to small or small to large? McKenna, what do you think? So what are you talking about? There you go. So how many ounces are in a pound? Very good. Now, if you need to just do this, if this will help. What is 8 times 6? Yes, you're correct. There you go. So our magic number is 128. Very nice. Bravo. Very good. I think you guys are getting the hang of this.
We're in a gigantic sauna.
What's that?
We're in a gigantic sauna.
We are in a gigantic sauna. I feel like I'm in a sauna. Just
You need
don't understand.
Open that other door.
All right, let us move to number 6. Write fractions. I'll write the fraction for the shaded part of each figure. So first let's find out, let's work the first one together, and then I'll let you go on your own. What is the denominator for this fraction? For A. What is the denominator? Caroline? Yes. And then what is the numerator? James? 2. Right. So remember, 5 is all parts. Denominator, the bottom number. The numerator is what is shaded in. So what is our fraction? Wensheen? 2/5. So I'm going to let you all work on that, and then you may work on. What time is it? This is what we're going to do. I'm going to let you work on the rest of this. This is your homework. Get out your planners before you start working. because it's so fun working in a sauna. So we are going to look on page 174 in the section in red where it says homework. That is your homework. So you're going to write the 7 timetable on a separate sheet of paper. And then you are going to go through and do what we just did, the new convert the measures. So write each step. The little box around and then convert the measurements. Small to large or large to small. Yes?
For the 7 times table, what should we go up to?
12. Always go up to 12. Okay? I know, it is so bad in here. I'm so sorry, friends.
We need the other door. I feel like we're in a sauna, but
It is horrible.
it feels like we're in a cold sauna. Yeah,
It would, but I feel like we're in a sauna. All right, now what I want you to do is once you have this written down in your planner, I'll write the 7. 0 to 12. All right? Please start working